before we wrap up, let's tell you how opinions are divided after the Karnataka government decided to rename Bengaluru South while retaining Ramanagara as the headquarters. Take a look at the story of Ramanagara and listen to voices from the ground in this report conducted by my colleague Neha Hebale.
Hello and welcome to this special edition on Mirror Now. I'm Neha Hebale and today we are visiting Ramanagara district in Karnataka. Well, the district has been in the headlines ever since the Karnataka government decided to change the name from Ramanagara to Bengaluru South. Now, while the government says that this decision was taken in order to attract investments here using Bengaluru's global tag, how are the people in the district really responding to this? We've spoken to people who've stayed here all their life. Well, we get you all that and more. Stay tuned.
Nestled away on the far outskirts of Bengaluru city, the story of Ramanagara dates back to the ancient times. Ramanagara, believed to be the land of Lord Ram, is said to have gotten its name from the Ramadevra Betta. One of the most interesting stories associated with the hill is Lord Rama's killing of Kakasura with an arrow made of a blade of grass when it was troubling Sita. The district's strategic location made it a part of several great kingdoms that ruled over this land. Renowned for its silk industry, which has been a cornerstone of its economy, the weaving tradition has been passed down through generations, making it a significant cultural and economic hub. Carved out from Bangalore Rural District in 2007, the district comprises of 4 taluks: Ramanagara, Channapatna, Magadi and Kanakapura. The district is bound by Bangalore Urban District in the north and Mandya District in the south. The Karnataka government's decision to rename the district Bengaluru South while retaining Ramanagara as its headquarters has sparked diverse opinions on whether it will enhance growth or undermine the district's identity.
ये बहुत खुशी का बात है, क्यों बोले कि तो आज बेंगलुरु ये वर्ल्ड स्टैंडर्ड का एक वर्ल्ड विश्वविख्यात नगर है. इसमें हमारा रामनगर भी अभी ज्वाइन हो गए बोलेगे तो हम सबको बहुत खुशी का बात है. स्पेशली आज ये रामनगर बोलेगे तो किसी को मालूम नहीं पड़ेगा, बट बेंगलुरु बोलेगे तो दुनिया का सब कोना में सबको मालूम पड़ेगा. क्यों बोलेगे तो आज सब आईटी इंडस्ट्री और बहुत बड़ा बड़ा मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी सब बहुत अभी डेवलपिंग इसमें बेंगलुरु बहुत फास्ट है. इसलिए हम क्या सोच रहे हैं, हमारा रामनगर डिस्ट्रिक्ट वो भी बेंगलुरु में ज्वाइन हो गए तो फ्यूचर में बहुत बड़ा बड़ा कंपनी वाला आज भी बहुत बड़ा टोयोटा का जैसा, कोका कोला का जैसा और भी बड़ा बड़ा कंपनी इधर ही है, वो बॉश का जैसा कंपनी पूरा है.
बेंगलोर को इंक्लूड किया तो बहुत इम्पैक्ट होगा ये बिजनेस के लिए. मैडम हम लोग तो इधर एक 40 साल से है, हम लोग इधर का ही है. प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है, लोकल्स को कुछ फायदा नहीं होता है. कोई आता है बेंगलोर से आता है, बेंगलोर के लिए डेवलप होगा, इधर का कुछ भी फायदा नहीं होता.
Ramanagara name should not be changed because of Rama is when Rama came here, it has been changed to Ramanagara. So Ramanagara should not name should not be changed. In the name of Ramanagara, they can develop anything, right? So Bengaluru South is not good for Ramanagara.
ನಾವು ಹಿಂದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ತಾತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನವರು. ಈಗ ಒಂದು 10-15 ವರ್ಷದ ಹಿಂದೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ರಾಮನಗರ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯವರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮರುನಾಮಕರಣ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ನಾವು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದಂಥವ್ರು, ನಾವು ಯಾಕೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಪಡಿಬಾರ್ದು? ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಹೆಸರು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಆದರೆ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಖುಷಿ ತರ್ತವಂಥ ವಿಚಾರ. ಇವತ್ತು ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲೇ ಒಂದು ಹೆಸರು ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಉದ್ದೇಶ.
The government says that the move is with the intention of using brand Bengaluru for development in the region. But how are the investors viewing this?
If I'm going north and I'm from a particular party, then somebody, just to prove me wrong, would say, I'd like to look at it from a southern perspective. But it has to hold, water, and it has to see that what they're saying, does it make sense? Is it too much of a parity that's going to change this whole thing? Name, I don't think is really isn't going to matter. I think it's the end game is commerce, it's prosperity, it's development, and it's job creation, which I think is the step in the right direction.
While many industrialists are skeptical of the name change, many others believe that the name change will help fuel growth, development, and employment in the region.
Even as the politics around this move continues to rage on, you've heard what the people of Ramnagar had to say, and you've also heard the investors. Is the renaming of Ramnagar to Bengaluru South really going to benefit the district? Well, that's something that we'll only find out in the coming days. In Ramnagar, with video journalist Pradeep, this is Neha Hebale for Mirror Now.